So what we're doing here is tumbling the bolts that came out of the C10. These bolts have been carefully labeled so we know exactly where they go back. Here we have the meticulously labeled bolts. Well, at least they're clean and tumbled and nice and shiny. And all you gotta do is figure out where they go. Also now clean are the control arms, both upper and lowers. We don't have any ball joints, they're on the way, but we have control arms to put them in. So next, what's in the box? This is Edelbrock's Top-End Performance Kit number 2099. I can't tell you anything about how it works or anything like that. If you want to see it bolted onto a motor, follow the C10 build. But this is just strictly an unboxing of their kit as it came to me. All right, we have a timing cover gasket, and we have a set of gaskets. Gasket cylinder head gasket set, small block Chevy. We have a camshaft and some engine lube. We have Chevy head bolt kit. We have a crush box. Push rods. This side up. Well, that means it's been on its side the entire time. Roller hydraulics, I like it. Timing chain, sprockets, intake manifold bolts. One cylinder head. Well, we got to open that up. More directions. There we go. Another cylinder head. And an intake. Let's see which intake it is. And it's an air gap intake. There you go. So that's what the Edelbrock 2099 435 horsepower small block Chevy top-end performance kit has in it. $20.99. Thank you very much.